Hey everybody, how are you doing? Well, it's time to do the wreath. It's time to do it's time to do this same old wreath. Guys, we are right back to Christmas, and this is when we started this last Christmas, okay? And here it is. It's seen better days, but that's okay because see how this just fell off? Do you see that? I'm going to be using that in a DIY, so I want you to remember this, okay? All right, let me show you a few things that I have. This is going to go in my den, and my den has snowmen. Again, I'm leaving on this bow, but I'm going to add to it this. Isn't that cute? Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Okay? And this hat from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to make that into a snowman hat. I don't know if I'm going to use some of this in it, but I got this from the Dollar Tree, and there's 2 pieces. It's a pretty good deal. And I just brought down some things that I thought I might embellish it with. I'm not sure yet. We'll know as we go. But they had these little snowmen at Dollar Tree. I mean, he's kind of dilapidated, you know, his hat's kind of blue look. But I think we can make him look cute on the wreath. I also have some of these candy canes and some of this. This is from the Dollar Tree. This is from Hobby Lobby. I might use some of this. Not sure yet. Some snowflakes, possibly. Maybe this, or this might go in my living room. I'm not sure. And then I have, well, what I did is I got this when I showed you in my haul from Joann's when I got the garland. I'm going to wrap it around this as my base, and then I'll put in some of these picks. So I think it's going to be pretty. I'm going to get the hot glue gun started, and as soon as everything's ready to go, I'll be back. We have to keep it Mackenzie child. We have to do that, right? Whenever I'm working with the wreath, I always want to hold it up so I can see what it'll look like when it's on the wall. It's too hard to tell when you have it laying flat. Okay, so I like the way that it's angled. It's kind of to the side. Now I'm just going to make sure that it's glued enough to where it's going to hold. Okay, this is the fun. I love decorating snowman hats. And I think I'm still going to do another snowman DIY, I think. I have so many different DIYs that I'm trying to get out to you. But this one, I didn't want to put snow like I did the one that I made before out of the spackle container. And I'll put that video down below in the description box so you can see that. That was really cool. But this one, I just want to, you know, decorate it like, I guess more like well, kind of like a snow theme, but I'm not putting the spackle on the hat to make it look like snow, if that makes any kind of sense at all, and it probably doesn't. So now I'm just going to take some of the garland, and I don't want much, but I want enough to where there's something to anchor the other pieces that I'm going to put on there. It's a lot easier when you have something that you're anchoring onto than just gluing it onto the hat, all the different embellishments that you're going to use. I love these holly leaves. I love them. But it didn't have the little red berries. I don't know if they fell off or what. I wanted to add just a touch of red into this because it's a lot of the green, the white, the black. But I'm liking it already. And I know you can't see it right now, but I had to hold it up to where I could tell, but I will bring you down and show you once I'm done with it. Now it's just a matter of getting the things that you like and what you think looks good on your hat.
Hmm.